Hello everyone, this is your teacher Anuradha Dubey with another video based on the chapter the third level, and here I will cover the question answer for 2 marks which are generally asked in your board exams. I will discuss the question in the sequence they are appearing in the text itself. So the first question is, what is the opinion of the psychiatrist about Charlie's experience of visiting the third level? The psychiatrists think that Charlie is fed up of this real world which is full of competitions, worries, insecurities and war. That's why he is trying to run away and seeking for a refuge on some solitary or comfortable place. Second question, what is the opinion of psychiatrists about the stamp collecting habit of Charlie? चार्ली का स्टैम्प कलेक्शन हैबिट जो है वो किस चीज की ओर संकेत कर रहा है, प्लस व्हाट इज द एक्सप्लेनेशन ऑफ चार्ली रिगार्डिंग इट, वो कुछ एक्सप्लेन करता है, कुछ सफाई देता है इससे रिलेटेड, वो क्या है। तो इसका आंसर हम बताएंगे। The psychiatrist thinks that he is having all these experiences because it's like a walking dream wish fulfillment for Charlie. And his stamp collection habit is also a symbol that he is trying to run away from the present. But Charlie has an excuse and says that this is not the reality, because his grandfather also had the habit of stamp collection and he was very much into it, but he used to live in the old peaceful world and he did not have any insecurity or any worry at all. He didn't want to run away from any reality. So this is not true. How does Charlie say that he is a very ordinary guy? कुछ चीजें वो कहता है जिससे वो प्रूव करना चाहता है कि जो एक्सपीरियंसेस उसके साथ हो रहे हैं उसमें उसका अपना पर्सनल कोई भी दुख नहीं है, बिकॉज ही इज लाइक एनी अदर ऑर्डिनरी गाय फ्रॉम न्यूयॉर्क और फ्रॉम अमेरिका. Charlie says that he is a 31-year-old young man working in a firm. He leaves to office early in the morning and returns late at night. He wears the kind of clothes which every person in New York is wearing. He wears the same kind of hat which every other person in the New York is wearing. So he is no different from anyone, so that he could have these kind of experiences. वो बिल्कुल भी अलग दूसरों से नहीं है जो ये साबित कर सके कि उसे जो ये अजीब एक्सपीरियंसेस हो रहे हैं उसमें उसका कोई पर्सनल कारण है. Why does Charlie say that Grand Central Station is growing like a tree? There are 2 particular reasons for this. चार्ली कई बार ग्रैंड सेंट्रल स्टेशन पर आया है और उसने फर्स्ट लेवल और सेकंड लेवल को विजिट किया है, बट एवरी टाइम व्हेन ही विजिट्स दिस स्टेशन ही फील्स एज इफ दिस is growing like a tree, opening new corridors, new galleries, new doors, new sideways. और एक बार तो उसके साथ ऐसा हुआ that he entered into a tunnel and found himself in the lobby of the Roosevelt Hotel. So this was something very new and very confusing for him. That's why he feels that this Grand Central Station is growing like a tree. What happened on the day when he found himself on the third level? One day when he entered into the Grand Central Station and he was trying he was taking several left and rights, he found himself on a platform which was completely different from the earlier one. जो पहले और दूसरे लेवल थे उनसे ये बिल्कुल अलग था. यहाँ ओपन गैस फ्लेम लाइट्स थे, यहाँ फ्यूअर टिकट विंडोज थे, यहाँ ब्रास के स्पिटॉन्स रखे हुए थे और एक ओल्ड ब्लैक लोकोमोटिव था जो सामने से आ रहा था. यहाँ जो लोग थे दे वर ड्रेस्ड इन वेरी ओल्ड फैशन टाइप. तो ये सारी चीजें उसको एक्सपीरियंस कराती हैं कि वो थर्ड लेवल पे है. हाउ डज ही गेट्स कंफर्म्ड दैट ही इज ऑन द थर्ड लेवल? ही गोज टू अ न्यूज़पेपर वेंडर और वहां पर एक न्यूज़पेपर रखा हुआ था जिसका नाम था द वर्ल्ड. और ये जो द वर्ल्ड है इट यूज टू पब्लिश्ड इन लेटर ईयर्स, लेकिन अभी ये पब्लिश नहीं होता है. एंड द डेट ऑन द newspaper was 11 June 1894, and he gets confirmed that he was actually on the third level, and from here he can get a train for anywhere he wants. किस टाइप की दुनिया थी गेल्सबर्ग इलिनॉय जहां पर जाने के लिए ये इतना उत्सुक था? चार्ली गेल्सबर्ग इलिनॉय ही क्यों जाना चाहता है? डिस्क्रिप्शन दीजिए गेल्सबर्ग इलिनॉय का। तो क्या स्पेशल था गेल्सबर्ग इलिनॉय में? when Charlie was a young boy, when he was young, his grandfather used to tell him the stories of the old world of Galesburg, Illinois. वो बताया करते थे कि यहाँ ओल्ड फ्रेम हाउसेस हैं, बड़े बड़े गार्डन्स हैं, ट्रमेंडस ट्रीज हैं, जो दोनों ओर जो साइड प्लांट्स हैं, दे सीम टू टच देमसेल्व्स ऑन द स्ट्रीट्स. People have a lot of time. They meet each other. They laugh a lot. They sing together. They spend time together, and they have the luxuries of time which the people are not having in the present world. So this place seemed to be quite attractive to Charlie, a person who was fed up of the hurried and worried life, the present. That's why he was fascinated to this place. Now, why does Louisa, who was his wife, how does she believe that the experience of Charlie was true? Previously, it was the idea of Louisa, his wife, that all the experience which Charlie keeps on describing is just a fragment of his imagination. But when they come to know that one of his friend, Sam Wiener, is also lost and he is missing, and he has left a letter for these people and informing that he has found the place called Galesburg, Illinois. He has found the third level, and he also motivates them never to give up the search of the third level. Louisa also begin to believe that the experience of Charlie was true. Now, what is a first day cover? First day cover is a kind of envelope. Actually, when the people who have the habit of stamp collection, they purchase the stamp on the very first date when it is issued. They paste it on an envelope. An empty envelope or a plain paper can be kept in the envelope with their self-address. The postmark in the post office proves that the postage was issued on the very first date, and when it comes to them, it directly goes into their collection. This envelope is called first day cover. It is never opened because we ourselves have written this letter to ourselves or sent it to ourselves, so we know that nothing is there. What was written in the first day cover which Charlie gets from Sam Wiener? The note said that Sam had found the third level, and from there he has caught the train to Galesburg, Illinois. He was very happy there. He had got converted 800 new currency from the old currency, and he had started a gai and hay business there, and he was very happy there, and he was inviting Charlie and his wife Louisa there. What do you think was the reality, and how can you say that this chapter is a beautiful mingling of reality and the imagination? Actually, this chapter is a testimony how the present world has put so much stress on the human being that he fails to realize what is the extent from where he begins to run away. He is not able to adjust himself in the present condition and is direly in search of some place where he can spend his time safely, securely, without any tension, without any insecurity. And in this chapter also, we find that Charlie has visited to the third level. In his defense, he gives some proofs to show that his experience is a reality, but we know that this is just a fragment of his imagination. And in the same way, the psychiatrist who himself was prohibiting, and he was refusing to accept that experience of Charlie was true. He himself has accepted the fact that Galesburg, Illinois is a beautiful place and it is worth visiting, and he has gone there. It shows that he himself is so much affected by the harsh realities of life that he himself has a desire to run away and seek refuge, whether it is a temporary or a permanent refuge. He wants to run away from this world. So these were the most important 2 marks questions which you are supposed to get asked in your question paper. Let's meet in the second video with the explanation of higher order thinking skill questions. Bye.